children. Today also we are going to continue the same chapter, surface area and volume. But today we are going to learn about a new geometrical figure called a sphere. So you are familiar with the idea of the sphere because you know very well tennis ball, football and all are examples for sphere only. So how the formula comes, let us see. Surface area of the sphere of the radius r equal to 4 pi r square unit square. Surface area means total surface area only. There is no curved surface area of a sphere. Now curved surface area of the hemisphere how we will get it? If we are cutting a plane through the center of the sphere, then we are it divided into two equal parts. One of the part is called as a hemisphere. Both are hemisphere only. When a sphere is divided into two, it is a three dimensional figure only, solid. So we are getting a hemisphere only. Like this part we will get. Now it's an example, lemon if you cut into two halves, each is an example for a hemisphere only. Now what are the formulas we have to learn from here? It is a curved surface area we are getting this side, that is here curved surface area is there. If it is only considering curved surface area, it is 2 pi r square only. So that means here it is 2 pi r square. Now what about the base shape? It is circle, its area equal to pi r square. So curved surface area only means it is 2 pi r square. Total surface area means 2 pi r square plus pi r square, total 3 pi r square only. Now respectively the volume of the sphere it is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of the hemisphere it is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So once again the formula, surface area of the sphere equal to 4 pi r square. Surface area, that means total surface area of the hemisphere, it is 3 pi r square. Then what is 2 pi r square? It is curved surface area of the hemisphere. Now again we have to learn about volume. Volume of the sphere it is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of the hemisphere it is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Find the curved surface area and the total surface area of the hemisphere of radius 21 centimeter. That means what we have to calculate, a total surface area as well as a curved surface area we have to calculate. So what is given in the question? R equal to 21 centimeter. Okay. CSA of the hemisphere. Pi r square, that means 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. It is equal to 2772 centimeter square. Now what is the next? TSA of the hemisphere. If you know the formula, it is very easy only this chapter, 3 pi r square. So write down and learn correctly. 3 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. So your answer is 4158 centimeter square. So both the question we have done for hemisphere only, not sphere. It is asked that hemisphere only. Only what is given the question at r equal to 21. Now CSA 2 pi r square, TSA 3 pi r square. Direct substitution only. Respectively their values are 2772 and 4158. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r as shown in the figure. Find the surface area of the sphere, find the curved surface area of the cylinder, ratio of the areas obtained in 1 and 2 only the question. So diagram is already given. You can see that in the diagram, right circular cylinder is encloses a sphere. Sphere is inside the cylinder only. What is the radius of the cylinder? Radius of the sphere it is r only. Now we have to, it is given in the diagram only. Find the surface area of the sphere. As usual we know the formulas based only. So it is the first question, surface area of the sphere means it's a total surface area only. So only one formula, that is 4 pi r square only. Here no doubt because the radius is also r only. So 4 pi r square we can write. Now what is the second part of the question? CSA of the cylinder. CSA of the cylinder means it is the formula 2 pi rh right? So radius is same only. See, cylinder radius this only, that is also equal to r only, 2 pi into r. But what about h? H means from the top to bottom. When we learned in the 8th class all the formulas, the height, we clearly explained that the difference between the top and the bottom face only. So it is h is equal to r plus r. So below the figure I'll write height is equal to r plus r, it is equal to 2r. So here already I have marked 2 pi r only, so h we should replace by 2r only. So 2 into 2 4 pi, and r how many times? 4 pi r square. So in equation 1 we have calculated TSA of the sphere, that is 4 pi r square, and the second part what we have done, CSA of the cylinder, that is formula is 2 pi r h only, we substituted and we got 4 pi r square. Now what is the third question? The ratio of this 2 only. So required ratio is equal to surface area of the sphere, surface area of the sphere divided by CSA of the cylinder. It is equal to 4 pi r square by 4 pi r square. It means it is cancelled there 1 by 1. So the required ratio equal to 1:1. So here diagram is given, nothing, there is no need of confusion. So it's already given that sphere radius is r only. So here r is the radius, and here also radius we have marked. But height means from the top of the top base of the cylinder to the bottom base of the cylinder. So that means the here to here, that means r plus r. So the height we have to calculate, it is 2r. So 2 pi r h is the formula for CSA of the cylinder. In that h should be replaced by 2r. So the answer is 4 pi r square. So when we are required ratio means both should be divided. The 1 and 2 only we have to take. So 1:1 is the required ratio. A solid sphere of radius 3 cm is melted and then cast into small spherical balls and of diameter 0.6 centimeter. Find the number of the balls obtained. A solid sphere of radius. So sphere I'll write here. So what is the radius? Radius is equal to 3. So r equal to 3 centimeter. Now spherical balls. Spherical balls diameter is given. So in below that what we can write, radius equal to 0.6 by 2, it is equal to 0.3. That means 3 by 10 we can write. Right? Now let x be the number of spherical balls. Now according to the question, it is change of shape only. That means volume of the sphere equal to the number volume of the spherical balls. We don't know the number, we have taken x be the number of the spherical balls. So what we will write, according to the question, volume of the solid sphere equal to x into the volume of the spherical balls. What is the volume of the solid sphere? Means 4 by 3 pi r cube. So for avoiding confusion, sphere is the bigger one here, they are small, so I will make it a capital only. So 4 by 3 pi r cube equal to x into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Right? So 4 by 3 pi and 4 by 3 pi will get cancelled. Now r cube equal to 3 into 3 into 3. X into 3 by 10 into 3 by 10 into 3 by 10. So what is x now? This all 10 will go into the numerator this side. So 10 into 10 into 10 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now this 3 will come in the denominator. Okay, so all 3 will get cancelled. So what is the answer for x? X equal to 1000. So how many spherical balls we got by melting the solid sphere? So we got 1000 spherical balls obtained by melting the solid sphere. So a solid sphere is melted here and we are getting the many spherical balls. So we don't know the number of spherical balls we are taken, x be the number of the spherical balls. So according to the question, what we can write? Volume of the solid sphere equal to x into volume of the spherical balls. So after substituting, what will get? X equal to 1000. So 1000 spherical balls are obtained by melting the solid sphere. A hemispherical bowl is made of steel 0.25 cm thickness. The inner radius of the bowl is 5 cm. Find the outer curved surface area of the bowl. So already you are having the idea of the hemispherical bowl only. So hemispherical bowl with the thickness is given that. So here like this we will get, and the thickness also there. So what will happen? See here, outer curved surface area only asked. So this much radius we required. That means the small r plus thickness is the capital R. Good. So capital R we should write means outer curved surface area. So we should know the capital R only. R plus T, that means thickness. What is the small r? The inner radius of the bowl is 5 cm. So 5 plus thickness is what? 0.25 cm. So that what is the total? 5.25 cm. We got outer curved surface area only. Question is asked. It's a direct question only. So outer CSA of the hemispherical bowl equal to outer hemisphere outer, so it is 2 pi r square. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 5.25 into 5.25. So the final answer is 173.25 centimeters square. So here only the difference is that we have to calculate the outer radius only. So for calculating the outer radius, what we should do? We have to add the thickness with the inner radius. So 5 plus 0.25, it is equal to 5.25 centimeter. Now the outer CSA, direct formula only. So it is 2 pi r square. So substitute, we will get the answer 173.25 centimeter square. 3 solid spheres of iron whose diameters are 2 cm, 12 cm and 16 cm respectively are melted into a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the solid sphere. So here what is the change? What is happened here? It is a change of shape only. Melted case is there. So volume of the 3 solid sphere is equal to volume of the new bigger one. So here we had given here diameter only, not radius. So we will take the solution as capital R be the radius of the solid sphere. Okay. Next, R1, R2, R3 be the radius of the 3 solid spheres respectively. R1, R2, R3 are the radii of 3 solid spheres. That means therefore R1 equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1 centimeter, R2 equal to 12 by 2 equal to 6 centimeter, R3 equal to 16 by 2, it is equal to 8 centimeter. According to the question, volume of the new solid sphere equal to volume of total volume. We should write a total volume of the three solid spheres of radii 1 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively. Therefore, 4 by 3 pi r cube equal to 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r3 cube. 4 by 3 pi is common here. So pi common, I'll take r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube left side. So 4 by 3 pi will get cancelled. So r cube equal to r1 means 1 cube plus 6 cube plus 8 cube. That means 1 plus 2 1 6 plus 5 1 2. Total is 729, which can be written as 9 cube. So r cube equal to 9 cube. That means r equal to 9 centimeter. So what is the conclusion? What is the conclusion? Radius of the solid sphere equal to 9 centimeter, right? So once again, we got a three solid sphere which is melted and formed the new solid sphere. So new solid sphere radius is capital R. The smaller solid spheres are R1, R2, R3. Since diameter is given, so we have calculated respectively their radii. So according to the question, volume of the new solid sphere equal to the total volume of the three solid sphere. That means 4 by 3 pi r cube equal to 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r3 cube. 4 by 3 pi is common, so it will get cancelled. So r cube equal to 1 cube, then 6 cube plus 8 cube. So expand that one and we'll get 729. It is equal to 9 cube. So r equal to 9 centimeter. So radius of the solid of the sphere is equal to 9 centimeter only. See, some of the questions we have solved already here. So more questions we can solve. That is NCERT exemplar questions, R.D. Sharma questions we can solve later. So with this today's class I am winding up. Thank you.